Right here, I have the perfect two-tier table that you're looking for. What's up, guys? My name is TJ, and today I'm going to be reviewing this farmhouse modern style dining room table, and this is absolutely perfect for so many reasons. Now, this comes in a bunch of different colors. I ended up opting for the black, but you can also get a brown, a tan, a gray, and you can fit your aesthetic in your house perfectly. I love this because it does have that two-tier, so you can put some decorations on the bottom, or you can put some extra plates, or maybe even some board games in case after dinner you want to stick around and play a couple games. And the top of this table is going to be 42 inches wide, making this absolutely perfect for 2 to 4 people. This is heat resistant, scratch resistant, and a waterproof material. Now let's go ahead and take a closer look. As you can see on this table, it is absolutely gorgeous. We have the wood grain finish on the top, and I love how this looks. It is so nice. This is going to be 2 pieces, so you do have a line going down the middle. Very easy to assemble. It probably took me less than 20 minutes to actually put this whole thing together because it's so simple. This is a very sturdy and durable design, and I just want to show you on the bottom, we do have a big, large area, and it's going to be a thick, nice board here that's going to support a decent amount of weight, so you can put a couple games here for after dinner, or you can put some extra plates, napkins, or just some decor. Look how cool this design is. It comes down and bends. You can see how clean that bend is with the weld. I love that. Now, one of my favorite features about this is it's going to have the anti-tip kit on the bottom, so you can adjust these perfectly. So as you can see here, pushing down on this, you can see there's absolutely no wobble because I have these adjusted correctly. These chairs right here are about 18 inches from the ground, and they fit this perfectly. And I absolutely love the way that this flows with the rest of my house. This is definitely a great option if you're looking for a beautiful dining room table. You can see that I have a chandelier up top that is circular, so it kind of just flows with it. This is a great option. Definitely add this to your cart. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next video.